America owns the skies the way that we did in it looks from a domain perspective more like Afghanistan, whereas in Ukraine it is contested. You turn on your cell phone, you're going to get shot. And broadly, at the risk of sounding political, NATO is not there in a formal sense. And so the data integration challenge is, hey, Ukraine, you're on your, you got to figure it out yourself. You're not doing, air defense shield integration with Poland the way that CENTCOM is doing with Israel, right? Like if that, those are the types of differences I'm seeing from an outside student of battlefields. And therefore it leads to different types of ways in which you fight, technology is used, partners participate, levels of intelligence sharing. Those are some of the differences I'm seeing. But again, I bounce it off of you to see if any of that is just misinformed. Am I reading the wrong news?
No, I'd love to push back on you on that, but I can't. That's it. I mean, it's just I think someone put it. We don't just have air superiority; we've got air supremacy. Right? This is we dominate, and that is such a luxury. Yes, in Italy, it is highly contested, as we know in Ukraine. So I think that's a very valid observation. And if I could spin that out a bit to,
Sure.
we always talk about lessons learned, what can we learn? I think we got to be really careful in that. I think the number one lesson I would learn at this point from the conflicts both in the Middle East and in Ukraine is that future conflicts will look nothing like these conflicts. By which essentially, I mean, I could see a day where people look back with nostalgia about these conflicts, even the Ukrainian situation, because of the points that we made earlier. I would contend, AI, the cyber, all those things that you, especially in the defense tech cutting edge, recognize are starting to appear and will only hockey puck in the near term. What AI is going to do to multi-domain operations is unbelievable, right? And I think we have not seen that even to a marginal degree today as compared to what the future will hold.